Okay, a quick introduction here before the video starts. Yup. At the video, I got the numbers wrong on the train. Yup, this one, not two. I got 6412 wrong. Yup. I said 6452 and it was actually 6412. Yup. But I got 6446 right. Yup. Train number 6446 and 6412. Yup. There's the correct numbers. So yeah, let's get to the video now. there goes the train. So hey camera. So right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yup, the PAS Manitoba. Train coming from Churchill and only coming up to the Paw. Yup. So today it's Thursday, July the 31st, 2025. Yup. A Thursday morning. And the time, it is 8:46 a.m. Yup, 8:46 a.m. And now it's 8:47. Yup, 8:47 a.m. And I didn't go to the train last night. Yup, I didn't. Yeah, yup. Train number 6452 and 6446. Yup. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.